Hey, welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while since I last posted, but Brian Watson here, owner of the Watson Housekeeping Group, a residential Airbnb and commercial cleaning company located in the DC, Maryland, and Virginia area. And in this video, I'm going to tell you how to get clients for Airbnb using local Facebook groups. Let's get into it. All right, since I posted my last video about how to get clients off a Turno B&B, I've been getting a lot of questions about people having problems getting clients off of Turno B&B. So I was like, okay, it's time to make another video, show you how we got clients using Facebook local groups. Actually shot another video for this where I actually showed you how to do it on Facebook, but it would have taken too long for me to edit the video and blur out people's faces, names, and personal information. So I'm just going to shoot this video and explain it to you step by step. So if you have any questions, feel free to message me in the comments and I'll answer your questions. All right, so first thing you want to do is you want to log into Facebook. Go to the search bar and type in Airbnb hosts of whatever city you're in. Kentucky, Atlanta. Kentucky's not a city, but you want to do like Los Angeles, DC, Baltimore, New York, New Jersey, whatever city that you're in, type in Airbnb host of that city. And then scroll through the results. Once you find that group, you want to join that group. Once you get accepted into the group, that's when the real fun begins. So now what you want to do is you want to scroll through that group and try to find posts where people are saying that they need a cleaner. They're looking for a brand new cleaner. You know, so this way it takes out the work of you having to go and try to find out where people are. When you go to these groups, they're there. They're looking for you already. So once you find somebody who is looking for a cleaner, just add them as a friend, shoot them a message, introduce yourself, introduce your cleaning company, introduce your experience, introduce to them how you can be of value to them. All right? And sometimes they're not going to respond. Sometimes you got to follow up, 30 days down the road, 60 days, 90 days, a year later. But the real goal is in the follow-up. All right? So another way to navigate these groups, to really find people that are looking for cleaning services in your area, is go to the search bar that's inside of that group and type in the word cleaner. Hit enter, and when you do that, all the posts from people that are looking for cleaners is going to come up. So go through each of those posts, whether it's a new post, an old post, a post from a year ago, send those people a message. So if it's an old post, send them a message and add them as a friend. Send them a message saying, hey, I noticed in such and such group that you were looking for an Airbnb cleaner X amount of months ago, or whatever. Like previously looking for an Airbnb cleaner. Are you still looking for one? If not, no worries. I just want to introduce myself and my company and see if we could be of value to you sometime in the future. As simple as that. And I cannot tell you how many clients I've gotten from doing that. It's really simple, because what it does is it opens up the conversation for them. Even if you don't get them as a client, sometimes you're now on their mind. Your company's on their mind. You may even get a walkthrough. You get the walkthrough, go do the walkthrough. Now you get to really sell yourself, because now you're in person. You can show them why you're the best candidate for the position. And even if you don't get it after the walkthrough, you can still touch bases with them, like I said, in the follow-up. For those of you that are like, Brian, I've never cleaned an Airbnb a day in my life. I don't have any experience. I don't know what to do, so I'm not sure what I'm going to message these people. So for you guys, or ladies, what you want to do is you want to find a company that's already doing Airbnb cleaning and subcontract for them. So this way you can get that experience. And when you go out and try to get your own clients, you can leverage that experience. So if you have any questions or concerns about how to do this in Facebook, please feel free to message me in the comments. Also, another thing that I did when I first joined these groups was I would post in these groups about my cleaning services, and I got next to no traction from it. Like, the posts are good, however, a lot of people aren't going to just go to your post. You have to actually put in the legwork, like I just mentioned, okay? So try it out. Let me know how it goes for you. Let me know if that works better for you, or if Turno B&B works better for you. You know, I'm very interested in learning about how everybody is progressing and the success that everybody is receiving from the content that I'm sharing and the tips and tricks that I'm sharing with you to help you grow your cleaning business. Also, y'all have been asking, and I finally released my price list. I released my price list for Airbnb cleanings. I released my price list for standard residential cleanings. I released my price list for deep cleanings and move-in and move-out cleanings. It's available in the description below. Check it out. I also put on there a link for you to schedule a 30-minute meeting with me if you're interested in talking to me, and if you have questions, you can get your questions answered during that time frame. So I hope you found this video very helpful. If you did, please hit the like button. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to be bringing you more content on this cleaning business as I continue to grow my cleaning business. So until next time.